Hi everyone, I'm Anoy, the co-founder and CEO of Deforge. Today we will demonstrate how to create an agent that receives a prompt from Telegram, generates an AI video based on the prompt, and ultimately uploads it to YouTube. Let's create a new workflow. Since we will be handling prompts from Telegram, let's drag the Telegram trigger node. I already have the API key for the Telegram bot. Let's paste it into the environment variables. We can even add what happens if the user presses the start button. We need a video AI node that generates videos with audio based on the provided prompts. To achieve this, let's connect the message output directly to the prompt input. Additionally, we can set the duration slider to 8 seconds and click on the checkbox to enable the audio. Let's add a YouTube upload node. Connect the video link output from the Video AI video node to the link input. Don't forget to add the necessary title, description, and tags. Open the YouTube upload node and click on Connect. No need to search for an API key. Simply connect your Google account and your video will be uploaded through your account. It's almost complete. Let's send the YouTube link back to Telegram so that it can be shared. Drag the Send Telegram node and connect the video link output of the YouTube upload node to the message input. Finally, connect the chat ID output of the Telegram trigger node to the chat ID input. Let's save our workflow. In just few minutes, we built what would take days in traditional platforms. Stop letting complex tools kill your AI ambitions. Join our waitlist to check out how powerful simplicity can be.
I am not real, but AI agents are. Make one of yours using Deforge.